All right, now your next assignment is to write one line of each new letter with each of the vowel sounds that we have learned. And be sure you sound out the letters with the vowels as you write them, like this. Ba-ah, ba-ah, ba, ba. I go with my sheep sound again. So remember to start on the right side of the page. So we have learned the bet, the B sound, with this little symbol, ba. Another bet, ba. Keep going with that. Ba. Ba. So fill up that whole line with that letter. You can use graph paper if you like. I have a graph paper fetish. Or you could just use regular notebook paper. Maybe do some of both. This really helps you keep your letters the right size. But practice on both. All right, do that and then come back. Okay. Got all that row. Let's start with our next letter that we learned, which was what? The shin letter. Oh, and the vowel sound ah. And we have the shin letter, ah. So keep going with that letter. I think my dog is tearing up something in the other room. All right, shaw. Shaw. All right, we have our whole row of shaw. Now let's make one whole row of ta. Your ta, cross down, the other side down with the foot. Ta. Cross and down, the other side with the foot. And the other ah vowel sound. So keep going with that. Ta. Yes. Ta. Oops, don't forget your foot. Ta. Ta. Keep going. All right. Very nice. All right, to the next exercise is to copy these letters and combinations of letters and the vowel sounds, and then say it out loud as you write it. So I'm going to have you pause and take your time on the 1, 2, 3 exercises, and then come back and join me. All right, your next exercise is to write each of your letters that we have learned today on the top of your paper, and then write 5 English words that start with that consonant sound. So if you want to pause, try that, and then we'll come back and compare. All right, so we're starting with the B sound, and then the shin, and the tav. So I wrote down bed, baby, box, boss, okay, and belt. And then for my shin letter, I wrote shoe, shelf, show, shock, and shady. All right, and the last one for tav, I wrote down talk, Ted, take, toss, and tape. All right, so now our assignment is to write the Hebrew vowel and consonant combinations that sound like these English words. So let's write those on the top of your paper or somewhere on your paper and see what we can do. All right, so the first word was Bob, like in the name Bob. All right. What sounds have we learned that make up that word? Well, we know bet, ah. We have to put a ah vowel sound under there, and then another bet. Remember to go the opposite direction of what you think you would. All right, bob. All right, the next one is the word tot, like a tater tot. So we need our ta sound. So we'll use our tav, like so. And ah sound, we can either use the little dashed line or the one that looks like a little T. And another t sound, another tav, and that would say taught if that were a Hebrew word. And then the other one that we need is the word shot. So S-H-O-T in English. And how do we do that? We need a shin letter. Make sure you put the dot to make the sh sound. And ah, t. Short little word in Hebrew. Shot. Okay, now we're going to read the following combinations of letters and vowels aloud for more practice, more reading practice. So try to say it before me. Sh, shaw, 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 b, shaw, ta, shaw, ba. All right, number 2 is b, ba, 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 sh, ba, ta, ba, sha, ba, ta. Okay, line number 3. T, ta, 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 sh, ta, sha, ta, ba, ta, and sha. Number 4, shaw, b, ta, b, ba, b, shaw, t, ba, t, ta, t. How are you doing? Doing okay? All right. Number 5, shaw, ba, ba, shaw, shaw, ta, ta, shaw, ba, ta, ta, ba. Sometimes it runs all together. Okay, here we go. Shaw, shaw, b, ba, shaw, b, ta, shaw, b, shaw, shaw, t, shaw, ba. Okay, here we go. Ba, ba, sh, shaw, ba, sh, ta, ba, sh, ba, 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 t, ba, t. Okay, here we go. Last line. Sha, ba, t. Ba, t. Sha, ba, t. Sha, sh. Sha, ba, t. Now, did you notice that you actually got to say your first Hebrew word, or read your first Hebrew word? Shabbat. Shabbat. Hear it? Shabbat. Shabbat. If you're not familiar, Shabbat is the Hebrew word for the Sabbath. All right, now if you want to do some extra practice, or you feel like you need extra practice, then I'm going to just post this picture of these exercises here at the end for you to pause, and I would try to write those out on your paper for practice this week. Also, anytime you're just sitting around doodling, try to remember your 3 new letters and write them from memory. And all right, take a big deep breath and congratulate yourself on your good work. And I will see you at the next lesson.